Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of Goodwill Hunting, where we go to various Goodwills to see what treasures we can find. We are here today in Anaheim, California. I'm super excited to take you guys into the store. But if you guys love thrifting and you love thrift hauls and vlogs, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button to be notified when new videos do go up. And if you're on Instagram, it's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here. And check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head into the store right now and check it out. I'm super excited and can't wait to see what they have today. Alright, you guys, my first time back here in 2019. Let's go inside and check it out. Okay, they have some box toys that are $1 each. These are not $1 each, but these are $7, $8. That's so cheap. These are only $1. Should I get one? Crikey, what am I gonna do with this stuff? Buy it. Alright, you guys, I found the thing. It's this one's $24.99, which is not bad, $24.99. But here it's $8. Let's see what other toys we have here. Spinning sprinkler. Oh my gosh, those kids would kind of go nuts for this. $1.99. Okay, I think I might get this for my nephews. Let's see what other crazy things. Scatter dodgeball. Tie silencer. Kylo Ren. Learn core coding concepts through hands-on play. Captain Sonar. Oh my gosh, stop it. This little rocking chair. $4.99. This is from IKEA Sundvik. This is cute. Oh my gosh, stop it. This is stunning. Only $10? This is so cool. Like, what a statement piece. Right? This is awesome. This would look so good on the dining table. I'm gonna take a picture of it and show it to you guys on Instagram and see what you guys think. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, you guys, they have too many good things right now. This thing weighs a ton too. And it like literally is the size of my shopping cart. Like, it's literally the whole thing. Oh, also bag of the day. My Prada that I just thrifted. Obsessed with it. Wait a minute, what are these? Oh, these are so nice. Oh my gosh, do we have new chairs for the kitchen? I think we might. Okay, I need to like take one out and see how it looks. Oh my gosh, you guys. These are really nice. They're $20 each. Those look good outside. Oh, this giant Dalmatian. Oh, they have one of these hanging things. This is really cute. It's $7.99. I love when they bring out these carts because this is where all the good stuff is. All the new stuff is right there. Check out these like fake little bonsai. Now these I can keep alive. Oh, look at these. What are these? Lennox 12 Days of Christmas. These are actually really cute. Those are cute. Too bad it's not Christmas anymore. Otherwise I'd probably like want to get them. Every time I see this I think it's super cool. This is from Target. And it kind of has like a marble-ish kind of like look to it. And I think it's half off. Yeah, it is. Purple tags are half off. This is $4. Oh, also, P.S. Those chairs that they had that I really liked for the kitchen, I brought them to the apartment and asked them like if that was like the price per piece. Thought this was Pampered Chef for a second. And they were like, no. And then I was like, oh, because for two it's $120. And then they were like, I talked to the manager and she's like, okay, well, we can do it for $100 for all four. And I was like, okay, maybe. Because I do have a coupon as well. So if they do 100 for 4, I have 25% off, so it'd be $75, which is pretty much almost one, because one of them was $60, right? So I think that's kind of a good deal for all 4. Plus they're like literally brand new, and I really like them. I like want to change up like kind of like the look of the kitchen with them. Plus they're stackable and easily storable, so it's perfect. Also for like extra seating and stuff too, or if I don't want, like, they're great for parties because they're really easy and tuck underneath the table. And there's so many things about them that I do like. Ooh, Crate and Barrel made in Poland, $1.99. How many of these are there? 2 so far. This isn't Crate and Barrel. Oh, it is. This feels like a different plate and looks like a different plate. Yeah, it's definitely from a different collection, because it's like, you can see like the profile is like totally different, but I mean, and it's also a little bit larger. This one is probably from the same. Okay, so this one is the same. So there's these 2 and those 2. I know you guys are thinking this is gonna fall over. Okay, I'm gonna put it down here and stack them, because I'm trying to count them. And I think these are okay. So we have at least 5. Hey, these are kind of nice, you guys. $1.99, $2 each. We'll think about it. There's only 5. I'm thinking about getting them for my cousin, but I think she needs, well, she needs more than 5, because she always has guests over. Okay, we are in one of my favorite sections, which is like the dinnerware and like serving platters and stuff. I love this section so much. Whoa, look at this giant bowl. Wow. This is from Threshold. This is really pretty. Except it's like kind of damaged. So maybe no. Oh, this is Pampered Chef for sure. It's like a little mini loaf. Yeah, $4.99. That's not bad actually. That's actually really good. Oh, marble top. This was for a stand. I actually have that stand. Like the whole thing that I thrifted not too long ago. Oh, this is plastic. This looks like a little planter, right? It looks really chic. $4.99. I'm gonna think about it. This is kind of cute. More planters, $4.99. Think about those too. I need to replant some plants. Even though these don't have holes at the bottom, huh? They just have like kind of like drainagey kind of things. I don't know. We'll think about it. Alright, you guys. Now I'm looking really quickly at like the vases, because you know I love a good vase. Some faux botanicals. Oh, that's kind of nice, that white one. Watering can. Alright, looking through the handbags really quick. I found one so far. I forgot to like film it and show you guys, but it's in my shopping cart right now. Where I have a bunch of toys. And look at, I also found this little unicorn thing. It's from Sears, made in the USA. It's like vintage. I don't know. I don't even know if I'm gonna get it. But I did find this Marc by Marc Jacobs bag. It's pretty large. It's like a little dry, like on the bottom corners and stuff. But I mean, I feel like it still has so much life left, and it's $8.99. I don't know why the lens cap was on, but check out this Paw Patrol. This Paw Patrol thing. Elizo would probably like it for like an hour and then not play with it anymore. But they have a big box of Honest wipes. I'm trying to see how much this thing costs, because I think these are $14.99. Is that a good deal? I'm gonna look it up. I found the wipes. They're $33.99 for 576. Here they're, well, how much were they? 18, 14? I guess not too bad. Plus they're brand new. Man, I don't know if I should get these chairs. I really like them, but then maybe I don't like them. Alright you guys, just left the store. I have a lot of really great stuff to share with you guys, so don't forget to subscribe to be updated when the haul video does go up. I love you guys so much, hope you guys had fun. Don't forget to check out today's vlog, it's up at 2, and I'll see you guys all later. Love you guys, bye! Also, I'm still living for this bowl. I love it so much. It looks so cool. I like the way the marble looks with it. I think it just looks really, really nice. So I'm very excited for this bowl. Oops, super zoomed in. Also, it's still been raining. I think the raining stopped for right now, and I think it actually is not gonna rain for the next few days, but it's gonna rain again. I think starting in the middle of the week through the weekend.